Today, I want to show you a few thickener options available on the market. Starting with Arrowroot Powder. It is added to a little cold water to make a slurry before adding it to hot liquids. Use 1 or 2 teaspoons per cup of liquid, depending on the desired consistency. Next, we have agar flakes. Sprinkle the flakes into the liquid. Bring to a boil while stirring to dissolve. Simmer for 5–10 minutes until completely dissolved. Use 2 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon per cup of liquid. Then we have a more specific ingredient from Japan called kuzu starch. Crush kuzu chunks into smaller pieces if they're hard. Mix it with an equal amount of cold water to make a smooth slurry. Stir the slurry into the hot liquid. Heat gently while stirring until the mixture becomes clear and thick. Use 1 or 2 teaspoons per cup of liquid. Next is tapioca starch or flour made from the root of the cassava plant. Mix tapioca starch with an equal amount of cold water to form a slurry. Stir into the hot liquid near the end of cooking. Cook over medium heat until it thickens. Again, use 1 or 2 teaspoons per cup.